In the world of investments, the biggest opportunities are often found where others aren't looking. What if you could identify tomorrow's market leaders today? Hi everyone and welcome to Sentishala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about TCG Transformative Growth Portfolio. Some of the most legendary wealth creating stories have often come from companies that started small and quietly disrupted industries, scaled rapidly, and created massive value along the way. These were once small or micro-cap companies that went on to become titans. The early believers, the patient investors, reaped outsized rewards. The small to micro-cap segment is filled with opportunity but also risk. Navigating it successfully required expertise, patience, and a methodological approach that combines deep research with prudent execution. That's where TCG Transformative Growth Portfolio comes in. TCG Transformative Growth Portfolio is a high conviction private equity style approach to illisted equities. This isn't your average mutual fund. This is a finely curated portfolio of 15 to 20 high potential small to micro cap companies, handpicked for the potential to become the next generation of market leaders. Each company is deeply evaluated not just on growth potential but also on business quality, management capabilities, scalability, and alignment with structural growth themes in India. What's the objective? The objective is to deliver multi-bagger returns over a 3 to 5 year horizon by identifying tomorrow's winners before the broader market catches on. Led by Mr. Vivek Ganguly, a seasoned investment professional with over 25 years of experience in Indian equities. He previously managed Nine Rivers Capital, where he generated a 29% CAGR over 11 years, outperforming the average of the top 10 small cap mutual funds by more than 2.3x. His private equity mindset applied to public markets sets TCG apart. Now let's talk about the TCG difference. First, private equity discipline in public markets. Unlike traditional mutual funds that spread across thin hundreds of companies, TCG takes a high conviction focused approach. Each company is backed with deep due diligence and a clear investment thesis. Second, concentrated portfolio, diversified sectors. With just 15 to 20 holdings across 4 to 5 sectors, the portfolio is designed to be concentrated yet diversified enough to balance risk and reward. Third, cap on AUM at 1000 crore. To preserve agility and return potential, TCG deliberately limits its AUM. This ensures that every position can be scaled with conviction without being constrained by liquidity concerns that plague larger funds. Fourth, disciplined risk management. The portfolio emphasizes companies with strong balance sheets, low leverage, consistent cash flows, and sound corporate governance. It avoids overvalued momentum plays and instead enters at attractive valuations, building positions gradually to protect downside. Fifth, aligned with India's growth story. TCG targets emerging and niche sectors that are key to India's long-term structural growth, capturing opportunities well before they become mainstream. This is not just another investment product, this is a strategic partnership with proven expert built for long-term wealth creation. If you're an investor seeking asymmetric returns through a focused and research-driven approach to India's most promising small and micro-cap companies, look no further. Welcome to TCG Transformative Growth Portfolio, where tomorrow's market leaders are found today. Well, this was all about TCG Transformative Growth Portfolio. We hope you like this video. Thank you.